Another day, another story. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, one of the world's leading research institutes in AI. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, one of the world's leading research institutes in AI. With ChatGPT, you can have engaged and insightful conversations with an AI system that feels like a real person. So come on and give it a try. Chat with ChatGPT and see for yourself just how human-like and intelligent it can be. ChatGPT has over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models currently available. ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating text in multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Arabic, and Spanish. ChatGPT has been used to generate various creative outputs, including poetry, stories, and music. ChatGPT can be used for various applications, including chatbots, content generation, language translation, and more. Thanks for watching.